What do you do when you first open your high-level account? So here I am in my high-level account, and the best thing is it's got over here on the left-hand side, it says Launchpad. So it's going to walk us through every set we need. So foundational, setup, marketing, lead generation, sales and conversations, website and content, and e-commerce. And it has videos in each stage. This is what I love about it. So you literally go through each section and it has a video for every single section. You create your first contact, then you import and engage with all of your contacts, generate new leads with a high converting funnel, growing your customer base, set up multi-channel communication. So let's have a look at generate new leads with high converting funnels. I have begun creating a funnel. It's taking me over here and I can look at here's the funnels and how to create your new funnel. Just go back to your Launchpad when you need that help for what exactly you have to do. Just click on that and you watch the tutorial. So then launch your first campaign, and that literally means sending your first email. You can create automated emails and text messages to nurture your leads. So for example, somebody who has signed up for your email, you can send them messages to say, remember, book in for your next session. Maybe you're providing reflexology, maybe you are a window cleaner and you want to remind your previous clients that it's time to book their next session with you. Allow people to do automatic appointment bookings and streamline your sales pipeline. So that's under your foundational setup. Then you can manage all your social media posts in one place. Let's just have a quick look at this one. So click on here and it takes you to
the social planner, where you can schedule and manage all of your social media posts in one place. To set up the social planner, head to marketing. On this screen, you can connect all of your social media pages, but let's get started with just a few like Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, so it's going to walk you through it step by step. And I suggest you do the bit that you're working on and then you click pause and then you go to the next bit. And we just click on the X here. And this is the social planner itself. So this is how we just literally click on connect Facebook, and lead connector will connect us through, and just click on continue. And it's as simple as that. And then you can upload your social post with CSV. And the important thing is you can then also approve and review your post before posting. If you want somebody else in the team to do that for you, really good idea. So that's all under marketing. Let's go back to our Launchpad. What else can you do with high level? Capture new leads with Facebook and Instagram lead ads and reach your first customers with your first text message campaign. All right, next section is going to be sales and conversations. Conversations are how you get a lot of sales, in my opinion. So setting up live chat, let's go to website and content, and we have a video on the channel here that shows you how easy this is to do. Creating a custom website with ready-made templates. Then if you are in e-commerce and you're selling products, you can go into the e-commerce section. You can also sell your first digital product, your first online course, and collect your payments online with Stripe. So what do you think, guys? There's a lot of stuff you can do with this platform. What I want you to do is go and grab your 30-day free trial, and you can check it out for yourself in those 30 days, setting up your marketing, your social media, scheduling, creating your first conversation chatbot on your website, creating your website, creating your email sequences and e-commerce, creating your first product and start selling it. It's really there's a lot in high level, but I recommend you start with one thing. So whether you start with the website or you start with the social media scheduling tool, and as you get comfortable, it really walks you through all of this stuff. And if you get stuck, go to need help. And in here, you can start Zoom, start chat, or raise a ticket. Visit our help center. They have a Facebook group. They have a welcome course. So you can just work through the welcome course. They have high-level events that you can join. I've never been working with a software company that is so high level. So yeah, have a look at all of the stuff that you can do. So grab your free 30-day trial, start looking around, and if you've got any questions on using this, please do post them below and let me help you to use this fantastic software.